Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. If you're looking to add a splash of creativity to your images, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm exploring how to adjust image colors in Canva. Let's dive into the array of settings available to add that extra zest to your visuals. To start, select the image you wish to modify by clicking on it. Once selected, navigate to Edit Image on the top panel. Here, you'll find a few ways to edit the image. This tutorial is about the Filters option. Click on See All to unveil a variety of options. While Canva might not allow for complete color changes on images, these filters can significantly alter the mood and tone of your image. Remember, it's a bit limited, but with a bit of creativity, you can achieve quite a lot. If you're keen on finer details, you'll notice a toggle next to each filter. This nifty feature allows you to adjust the intensity of the filter. Slide it left or right to see the subtle or dramatic changes unfold before your eyes. And there you have it. You're now equipped to adjust the colors and feel of your images in Canva, bringing a personalized touch to every design. Don't be afraid to experiment and see where your creativity takes you. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing!